What's happening, guys? This is my video on how to install or upgrade your Galaxy Grand Duos to the latest version of Android. That's the Android 4.2.2 Jellybean. So since we have the official leak of the latest firmware, that's the Android 4.2.2, I will in this tutorial I will show you how you can install it. So right now I'm running the stock Android 4.1.2 and this is the i9082 version. So this model, this tutorial works for this model number only. Let's go ahead and install or say upgrade the Android 4.1.2 to the Android 4.2.2. So guys, hit link 1 from the description. Okay, that will take you to a website from where you can download the latest firmware, the official leaked firmware of the Android 4.2.2. Extract it, you'll get this folder. You'll also have this Odin with it, and you must have Samsung keys and Odin installed on your PC. Okay, so right now on your phone, what you need to do is hit the down volume, power and the home button at the same time. Keep holding it till you get into the download mode. Leave the keys once you see this. Hit the volume up to continue. Okay, volume up. Okay, so once you see this, you can go ahead and connect your phone to your PC via the USB cable. Alright, so once you connect your phone to your PC, open up this folder, open up Odin. Yes, so you must see this IDCOM tab turned into blue. If it does not, check the description. I have added links to the drivers, so you can download the drivers and install it. So once you're done here, once your IDCOM tab turns into blue, so now hit PDA and select the code i9082xxubmf2 file. That's the .tar.md5 file, and this is the largest file in this folder. Okay, hit open. Just wait for a moment. Now that's done. So again, go to phone and select the modem. That's the file that says modem. Hit open, and under CSC choose the CSC file and hit open. And now that's done. Make sure you have auto reboot and F reset time select. That's the default. Apart from that, you just make sure you don't have anything selected and hit start and wait for the installation to complete. So guys, I'll be back with you once the installation is complete. So now the installation is complete, and once you see this reset, don't worry, you can just simply unplug your phone and wait for your phone to boot back. So I'll be back with you guys once the phone boots back. So guys, we are up here, so let's go ahead and check the Android version. So right now we have the Android version 4.2.2. That's the Jellybean. Alright, so guys, that's all for this video. I will be coming up with a review very soon. Thanks a lot for watching, and you guys have a great day.